Okay, in this lesson, an OpenClaw agent workspace folder has a fixed set of files in it. So let me open one up and walk through each one file by file. After the wizard, you have a workspace at ~.openclaw/workspace. Change into that directory. List its contents. You should see something like AGENTS.md, IDENTITY.md, SOUL.md, TOOLS.md, USER.md, Heartbeat.md, Memory.md, Bootstrap.md, and maybe a boot.md if the gateway seeded one for you, 8 or 9 files depending. Each one has a job. The gateway loads them into the system context every session, with limits, which we will get to. Stay with me. SOUL.md, that is the persona file. Voice, values, defaults. This is the file that makes the agent feel like a specific thing instead of a generic AI helper. You write it in plain markdown. That is it. AGENTS.md, note the plural with an S. That is the rules file. What tools the agent can use, what the red lines are, what done actually means. This is also where standing orders live, recurring directives that survive across sessions. So if you want the agent to always confirm before deleting files, you write that rule in agents.md once, and you do not have to remind it on every chat. BigTimeSaver.unzr.user.md, that is who you are, your name, your time zone, your communication preferences. Here is a useful framing. You are teaching the agent about a person, not building a dossier. Keep it focused, keep it short, really short. Identity.md, the display identity. The agent name, its creature, which can be AI, robot, familiar, your call, its vibe, its emoji, its avatar. The avatar is a path inside the workspace, a URL or a data URI. Whatever works. Tools.md, this file is informational only. It does not gate tool access. Tool access is gated by configuration under tools.allow and tools.deny. The tools.md file is just notes for the agent about how to use the tools it already has. Memory.md, curated long-term memory. It auto-loads in direct messages only, not in group chats. So the work Slack agent does not accidentally drop home life facts into a team channel. By design. Smart, honestly. Heartbeat.md, the checklist for the heartbeat run. We will cover heartbeat in module 13. For now, just know, this file tells the agent what to do during a heartbeat tick. Empty file means skip. Missing file means run with the default prompt. Bootstrap.md, first run only. The wizard reads it once during onboarding, then deletes it. So if you see this file in your workspace, the wizard has not finished running yet or something interrupted it. Worth knowing. Boot.md. This file gets executed at gateway startup by the boot markdown hook if it is enabled. Useful for setting environment variables or running a sync or anything you want to happen on every gateway restart. There is also a memory subfolder. Daily logs go in there as year month day.markdown. Today and yesterday logs auto-load into context in direct messages only. Older logs do not. Now, truncation. This matters. Each Bootstrap file is capped at 12,000 characters in the context window with a 60,000 character total cap across all of them. That honestly is not a lot. So write tight, really tight. If your SOUL.md is 6 pages of prose, the agent is not getting all of it. And worse, you are burning tokens on every single message, everyone. That is the layout. In the next lesson, we look at how to actually write SOUL.md, agents.md, and user.md for a real agent. See you there.